So this is our three-phase induction motor. On the shaft of three-phase induction motor, the belt and pulley arrangement is done. So this is the pulley and this is the belt arrangement. So these 2 meter readings will give the effective load connected to the induction motor. So this will be the F1 and F2. So let us apply the rated voltage to the three-phase induction motor by this three-phase auto transformer. So we are applying here three-phase AC. The rated voltage is applied here 415 volts. So we are increasing the dimmer stat up to 415 volts. So we are applying rated voltage as per the nameplate. So you can see here 415 volts we have applied. So this is the no load condition. You can see here the motor is running freely without any load condition. So under this condition the speed of induction motor is 1498 RPM, as well as you can see without load it is consuming the current of 2.8 amperes. So we will note down these two parameters, speed as well as the input current. So you can see here the input voltage is 415 volts, current is 2.8 amperes, F1 and F2 are 0 as well as the speed is 1498 RPM. So this is at no load condition. Remaining is how much is the input power given to the motor. So we have to find out what is the reading of W1 and W2. So let us see how much is the wattmeter reading. So W1 is
700.
W1 is 700 watts, and if you see here the wattmeter reading W2 is going in the negative direction. So in this case we have to interchange the connections M as well as the connection of L. So these two connections are related to current coil and voltage coil. So we are going to change either the current coil connections or voltage coil connections. So as the wattmeter reading W2 is going in negative direction, so we have changed the direction of current. So you can see here we have connected this junction from the source side B, it is connected to L, and this is short circuited to common C. So we are interchanging the connections of current coil, and instead of L we have connected M to the B phase. So we have interchanged the current coil connections. So you can see here the connection is done like this. So this is the current coil, this is the pressure coil, this is the main source, this is the connection towards the load. So instead of this we have connected like this. M is connected to L and this load side connection is done to the M. So this is the interchange. So now the current direction is opposite to previous one. So initially the current direction was from left hand side to right hand side. After interchanging the connection it is from right hand to left hand side. So this is the interchanging current coil connection. So after this you can see the wattmeter is showing the reading in positive direction, but it should be taken as negative. So this is right now minus of 500 watts. So we have to mention here the wattmeter reading W2 as minus 500 watts. So this is all about the first reading. We have taken input voltage, input current, applied load on the induction motor. Right now the load is 0, so F1 is 0, F2 is 0, effective load is 0, input power is W1 700, W2 is minus 500 and corresponding speed is 1498 RPM. So this is all about the first reading at no load condition. Thank you.